Becoming a crypto copy trading pro with BingX. Tips and tricks from experienced traders. Copy trading in the crypto market has gained significant traction in recent years, allowing investors to mimic the trading strategies of experienced and successful traders. BingX, a leading social trading platform, offers a comprehensive copy trading solution that enables users to capitalize on the expertise of seasoned crypto traders. In this detailed guide, we'll explore the steps to becoming a crypto copy trading pro with BingX, drawing insights from the experiences of veteran traders. 1. Understand the fundamentals of copy trading. Before diving into the world of copy trading, it's essential to grasp the underlying principles. Copy trading allows you to automatically replicate the trades of successful traders, enabling you to potentially benefit from their expertise and market insights. By aligning your portfolio with proven trading strategies, you can potentially enhance your returns and minimize the learning curve associated with navigating the volatile crypto markets. 2. Choose the right copy trading platform. BingX. When it comes to copy trading in the crypto space, BingX stands out as a premier platform. BingX offers a user-friendly interface, a wide selection of experienced traders to follow, and advanced features that cater to the needs of both novice and experienced investors. To get started, you can use the referral code 911 to register on the BingX platform and take advantage of the platform's features and benefits. 3. Conduct thorough research on potential copy traders. The success of your copy trading journey with BingX depends on the traders you choose to follow. Carefully research the trading history, risk management strategies, and performance track records of potential copy traders. Look for traders with consistent, long-term profitability, a clear understanding of market trends, and a proven ability to navigate the volatility of the crypto markets. 4. Diversify your copy trading portfolio. To mitigate risk and maximize your chances of success, it's crucial to diversify your copy trading portfolio on BingX. Rather than allocating all your funds to a single trader, consider following a diverse group of traders with different trading styles, risk profiles, and market specializations. This approach can help you balance your overall risk and potentially generate more stable returns over the long term. 5. Set appropriate risk limits and stop-loss levels. Crypto markets can be highly volatile, and it's essential to manage your risk effectively. On the BingX platform, you can set personalized risk limits and stop-loss levels for each trader you follow. This allows you to limit your downside exposure and ensures that your losses are capped at a level you're comfortable with. 6. Monitor and adjust your copy trading strategy. Continuous monitoring and adjustments are essential in the ever-changing crypto landscape. Regularly review the performance of the traders you're following on BingX, their trading strategies, and their market outlooks. Be prepared to make informed decisions about adding, removing, or adjusting your copy trading positions based on market conditions and the evolving performance of your selected traders. 7. Stay informed and adapt to market trends. The crypto market is known for its dynamic nature, with new developments, regulations, and trends emerging constantly. As a crypto copy trading pro with BingX, it's crucial to stay informed about the latest industry news, technological advancements, and regulatory changes that can impact the performance of your copy trading portfolio. Adapt your strategy accordingly to capitalize on new opportunities and mitigate potential risks. 8. Leverage BingX's social trading features. BingX offers a vibrant social trading community where you can engage with other copy traders, share insights, and learn from their experiences. Participate in discussions, join trading groups, and leverage the platform's social features to stay connected with the broader crypto trading ecosystem. This can help you enhance your understanding of the market and potentially identify new copy trading opportunities. 9. Continuously enhance your knowledge and skills. Becoming a crypto copy trading pro is a continuous learning process. Regularly educate yourself on trading strategies, risk management techniques, and market analysis methodologies. Attend webinars, read industry publications, and explore educational resources provided by BingX to expand your knowledge and refine your copy trading skills. 10. Start small and gradually scale your copy trading. When beginning your copy trading journey on BingX, it's advisable to start with a small portion of your overall investment capital. Gradually increase your exposure as you gain confidence and experience in the platform's copy trading features. This approach allows you to test and refine your strategy while minimizing potential losses and building a solid foundation for long-term success. Remember, copy trading in the crypto market can be a powerful tool, but it also carries inherent risks. By following these tips and leveraging the features of the BingX platform, using the referral code 911, you can increase your chances of becoming a crypto copy trading pro and potentially generate consistent returns in the dynamic cryptocurrency market.